The sun is sailing in the sky. The wind goes whoosh as it zips by. The stream says glip and glop and glee. The fox is waving, look at me. A snail goes slow, then slow some more. A lizard zips across the floor. The elephant goes up, then down. The squirrel is twirling round and round. The bear digs roots with claws so wide. The hen kicks leaves off to the side. The wildcat spies a silver flash, a fish, a paw, a mighty splash. A duck floats by with dreamy grace. A snake slides through the grassy space. The frog goes boing, it leaps so high. A bunny twitches ears up to the sky. A butterfly with painted wings just sits and thinks of lovely things. A fish beneath the water deep has closed its eyes and gone to sleep. A sparrow hops and gives a tweet, a chirp, a cheep, a bouncy beat. A crow goes walking, slow and sly. She peeks and pokes with searching eye.